Now, Weather Week exploring summer threats.
All week long, we're informing you about weather that can strike this time of year.
Precipitationless in Providence. We've had some dry stretches during the summer over the years.
But there is one month in particular that was especially bad, the driest summer month on record. At TF Green, it was June of 1945, in which only 0.05 inches of rain made it into the rain gauge.
During that month, measurable precipitation was only recorded on 2 out of 30 days. Summer weather can be unpredictable, so make sure you sign up for the WPRI 12 Weather app. You can get live interactive radar and alerts sent right to your phone when conditions change where you are.
Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, remember back in February when you were scraping ice off your windshield, Shannon? It was about 15 degrees. We were waiting for weather like this.
Was I giving you the silent treatment at the time?
Well, it's here. I mean, summer's locked in. In fact, we talked about this last night. We're seeing signs, the medium range forecast next couple of weeks of the temperatures actually running above average. Today, warmer than average. I mean, not extreme or unusual, but the number's a little higher than normal. Most areas topping out as expected, mid and upper 80s, mid 80s along the coastline. Just shy of 90 in Taunton, 86 in Providence. And similar temperatures coming up for tomorrow afternoon as well, mid to upper 80s once again. Humidity will start to bump up a little bit on Wednesday. Temperatures have only slipped back a few degrees. There's just a modest sea breeze along the coastline right now, keeping it a few degrees cooler in places like Newport. Let's head down to North Kingstown and on the bay. Look at all the sunshine on the water, the sailboats. Let's widen out this view. 81 degrees. Looking good. A beautiful evening. The humidity is still low. You could have plans to be outdoors this evening, a barbecue in the backyard and things like that. It's real nice. Smithfield now coming in at 88, and Newport with a slight wind off the water is cooler but very nice with a temperature at 80. So summer is locked in, and we talked about how the pattern is favoring warmer than average temperatures. Humidity increases a little bit for tomorrow, but more so tomorrow night and through the weekend. Nothing unusual, but it will be muggier with more moisture in the air. Next chance for any scattered showers or thunder, we're thinking Thursday night, not Thursday day, Thursday night into Friday, warm and humid, though at this point I don't think Friday is a washout. There'll be some dry periods as well, and it'll be a warm day as well. Nothing on the satellite and radar composite, but blue skies right now. Here's the wider view. Reason for the nice weather across at least New England. High pressure in control. Keeping things dry, and it'll stay that way right on through the overnight. This system across the northern plains, this is our weather maker as it approaches in that Thursday night, Friday time frame. Meanwhile, of course, we've been talking about that we are in hurricane season, and the National Hurricane Center still watching this area across the northern Gulf and Florida Panhandle with interest for possible tropical storm development over the next couple of days. So the northern portion of the Gulf, we'll have to watch this closely. If it becomes a named storm, it would be Barry, and we'll keep you updated. Closer to home, we're looking good. We're going to walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening. Clear skies. Temperatures overnight dropping down to about 60, 65 late at night. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, sunshine, and watch the rapid recovery with the temperatures once again. Mid to upper 80s inland, so warm to, borderline hot, and upper 70s to around 80 along the South Shore. By tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, we are partly sunny, temps in the lower 80s. And then later tomorrow night, you'll notice the humidity on the rise, and that may lead to a little bit of patchy fog near the coastline late tomorrow night. Looking good for this evening. Sunset time at 8:21. Tomorrow morning, sunshine. Once again, that rapid warm-up, but comfortable. 60s and 70s will translate to what we had today, mid to upper 80s for daytime highs. Notice temperatures all through the week and into the weekend, upper 80s, flirting with 90, both Saturday and Sunday. Beaches tomorrow, much like today, looking pretty good. That strong sunshine. You need a sunscreen. Air temperature 81, water temperature coming in at 70. Thursday day is dry, 85. It's the showers and thunder arriving on Thursday night into at least Friday morning. I mean, we're forecasting 87 on Friday, so you don't get that warm unless you have some sunshine. And we'll see some sun on Friday, but we'll have to dodge a scattered shower or thunderstorm. Weekend looks, borderline hot, very warm. Upper 80s to near 90 both Saturday and Sunday. So check back with us, as always. And certainly I'll have an update tonight at 10 and 11, and Mish in tomorrow morning at 4:30 a.m. with your updated forecast. So, looking good. Great vacation week.
I don't think I was giving you the silent treatment in the winter when I was scraping my, window, because that's like expected. It was in the spring when it just kept raining and being cold
When it just kept
that I stopped
being
talking
winter.
to you. I just stopped talking to
It was
you.
48 degrees in May.
Because it's all his fault.
It was very awkward. I was just sitting here. I didn't know what was going on.